crossing it. He just got the union met back together. He had to use a shovel to push a little bit to get the threads to line up. So that should work. Now he's just gonna use the channel locks and tighten them back now. So, everything's put together, and what we do is we're going to let it set because we want all the glue, all the joints to dry real well, secure, and we'll leave this exposed through tomorrow. That way we can check to make sure there are no leaks, because the last thing that you want to do is cover all this up before you make darn sure that none of the joints, anything's leaking. So you don't want to have to dig all this back up and repeat this. So we're done for the day on this, and that's it.